if you're watching this video, it means you signed up for my video marketing workshop where we're going to show up, create a video, edit that video, and the goal is for you, the real estate professional, to leave this workshop with an edited video ready to go that you can now post online to the internet, to your social media accounts. I'm Jared Larkin with Chicago Title. I teach a variety of classes. I really lean into social media and marketing beyond just being a sales rep for Chicago Title, of course, our title insurance company. I want to find ways to help you, the real estate professional, with your business. And today it's going to be video. We'll be doing these once a month. A couple of housekeeping things so that this workshop runs as smooth as possible and we are all ready to go and no one is wasting each other's time. I need you to do a few things for me. It's just going to take you a couple minutes. The first thing that I need you to do is I need you to download the editing software that we're going to be using to edit our videos. The editing software is called CapCut. You can go to the website right here, www.capcut.com. And what I need you to do is I need you to take your computer, go to capcut.com, and download this to your computer, whether it's a Mac or a PC. You can do it right here at the top under the download section, download for Windows or Mac. Okay, we want to download that to our computer install. Once you download it and set it up, you need to create a free account. Okay, again, just plug in your email, a password, have it all ready to go on your computer. Once you've done that, now step 2, guess what, is to download CapCut to your phone. Okay, whether you got Android, Google, whatever, iPhone, go into the App Store, go into whatever store you need to go into, and go ahead and download CapCut. That is what it looks like. You can see here on my screen the logo right here. This is it. Download this to your phone, and again, on your phone, log in to CapCut. That way we are ready to go when we want to edit our video. Next thing, when you come to this class, of course, you got to bring your smartphone, but you also need to bring your laptop right here. Bring your laptop because yes, we can edit CapCut. We can edit our videos with CapCut on our phone, but in my opinion, it is very, very difficult to do. It's much easier to download CapCut to your computer and edit on your computer, okay? Last thing that you need to do is if you have, what we need to do is we need to get our video file after we record our video. We're gonna need to get it to our laptop in order for us to edit it, okay? If you have an iPhone and you have a Mac, you're gonna be good to go. All we're gonna do is airdrop the video file from your iPhone to your MacBook, okay? If you have a PC though, or if you got whatever, Mac, PC, whatever, they don't speak to each other, you need to have some sort of cloud sharing software system to your phone, whether that's Google Drive, Dropbox, right? Any of these, So if you already have one, I'll just say go ahead and go to Google Drive. Just Google Drive. You probably have a Gmail account. Go ahead and just continue to set it up. Set up your Google Drive account. I think they give you like 20 gigabytes free, which is plenty of storage. Our video files are gonna be much smaller. But the reason why you need this is that will allow us to upload our video file from our phone to the cloud sharing system and then download it to from our laptop without losing quality. We don't want to lose the video quality. Okay, that's pretty much everything good to go. Other than that, just start thinking about what you want to record when you show up. Show up in whatever you want to wear, in the attire you want to wear, because we're going to show up and make videos. Think about all those commonly asked questions for you as a real estate agent, right? All of the things that people ask you, whether they're buyers, sellers. I'm sure you've got a big list of those. A couple probably come to mind, maybe even today. We want to basically create a short form vertical video that is 90 seconds or less that we want to create and then edit on our phones. If you need ideas, I have script ideas. You can actually see below in this blog post some ideas, but we're going to keep it super simple. The goal is to get you in front of the camera, get you comfortable, and then walk away with a video. Okay, last things last, if for whatever reason you don't want to edit your videos, I'm going to share with you some resources for some online editors that I use that are very, very cheap, that I actually outsource my content to that edit for me. So again, Jared Larkin, Chicago Title. We'll see you soon at the class. If you have any questions, reach out to me, 303-630-9430 or info@milehighTitleGuy.com. This is my website right here. Go ahead and reach out to me if you have any questions. And if not, we'll see you at the class.